Is your external component the Toolkit Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish localized application logic links. Before the walkthrough for Toolkit Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Toolkit Library, a generic application toolkit library. It provides unmanaged helper routines for cross-component communication. It typically manages the orchestration of shared UI widgets, logging syncs, and internal data link manifests required for modular desktop software suites. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Unlike system-wide DLLs, Toolkit Library DLL is unique to the localized application logic environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Toolkit library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Toolkit Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Toolkit Library and PC Health. Thank you for trusting us with Toolkit Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.